Are you ready to level up your gaming experience in 2025? Imagine playing your favorite AAA titles at ultra settings with desktop-level power packed into a sleek, portable laptop. From insane 4K displays to groundbreaking GPU performance, these gaming beasts are rewriting the rules. Stay tuned as we dive into the 9 most powerful gaming laptops of 2025. Designed to blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 7. It's an absolute game changer. Number 1. Alienware X17R2. When it comes to gaming laptops, Alienware remains an industry leader renowned for its blend of raw power, cutting-edge design, and advanced features. The Alienware X17R2 is no exception, setting a benchmark for high-performance gaming machines. At the heart of this powerhouse is the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, capable of tackling the most demanding games and multitasking scenarios with ease. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, this laptop delivers breathtaking graphics, allowing gamers to enjoy ultra-realistic ray tracing and DLSS-enhanced performance. The 17.3-inch 4K UG display elevates the gaming experience to new heights. With a 144Hz refresh rate and support for NVIDIA G-Sync, gameplay feels seamless with no tearing or stuttering. Whether you're exploring the intricate worlds of open-world RPGs or competing in high-octane esports tournaments, the display ensures every detail is rendered in stunning clarity. To complement its raw performance, Alienware has integrated its advanced Cryotech cooling system, which employs vapor chamber technology to maintain optimal temperatures even during extended gaming sessions. This innovative cooling mechanism minimizes thermal throttling, ensuring sustained high performance for marathon gaming or intensive tasks. Storage and memory are equally impressive, with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 4 TB PCI Gen 5 SSD. This configuration guarantees lightning-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and ample storage for AAA titles, multimedia files, and professional software. The magnesium alloy chassis not only gives the laptop a premium, futuristic look but also ensures durability while keeping the machine surprisingly lightweight for a 17-inch gaming laptop. The customizable AlienFX RGB lighting system adds a personal touch, allowing gamers to express their style with per-key lighting options and dynamic effects. From its premium build quality to its performance-packed internals, the Alienware X17R2 is engineered for gamers who refuse to compromise on any front. Number 2. Razer Blade 18. The Razer Blade 18 redefines the possibilities of gaming laptops, boasting a massive 18-inch QHD display, unparalleled performance, and a minimalist design that balances power with elegance. Equipped with the formidable Intel Core i9-14980HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Ti GPU, the Blade 18 is designed to handle anything from the latest AAA games to resource-intensive tasks like 3D rendering and video editing. Its 240Hz QHD display offers an incredibly fluid gaming experience, with vibrant colors and sharp visuals that make every frame come alive. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, the display ensures no detail goes unnoticed. One of the standout features of the Blade 18 is its CNC milled aluminum unibody chassis, which not only provides exceptional durability but also exudes a sleek, premium aesthetic. Despite its large screen size, the laptop maintains the thin and lightweight design Razer is known for, making it a rare combination of portability and performance in the gaming space. Inside, the Blade 18 supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and offers 4 TB of PCI Gen 4 SSD storage, giving gamers and professionals the freedom to install extensive game libraries, large project files, and multimedia content without worrying about space constraints. The advanced vapor chamber cooling system ensures that the machine stays cool even under heavy loads, so you can game, stream, or create without interruption. For gamers who prioritize audio quality, the laptop is equipped with THX spatial audio, delivering immersive sound that enhances the gaming and multimedia experience. Additionally, the Blade 18's per-key RGB backlit keyboard, powered by Razer Chroma, allows endless customization options to match your gaming setup. Whether you're looking for a desktop replacement or a powerful portable workstation, the Razer Blade 18 delivers the perfect blend of performance, aesthetics, and functionality. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 stands out as a gaming laptop that perfectly balances performance, portability, and innovation. Part of ASUS' highly acclaimed Republic of Gamers ROG lineup, the G16 is tailored for gamers and creators who demand top-tier performance without sacrificing mobility. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 9 8950HX processor, delivering exceptional multitasking capabilities and processing power. Paired with the AMD Radeon RX 8900 MXT GPU, the Zephyrus G16 is capable of running modern AAA games at ultra settings while also excelling at tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. The 16-inch mini LED display is a true marvel, offering a combination of vivid colors, deep blacks, and a 165Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. With a high brightness level and precise color accuracy, this display is perfect not just for gaming but also for content creation and media consumption. The slim bezels surrounding the screen enhance the immersive experience, making it feel larger than its actual size. ASUS has incorporated its signature intelligent cooling system, which includes liquid metal thermal paste and a vapor chamber designed to optimize heat dissipation. This ensures the laptop remains cool and quiet even during intensive gaming or demanding creative workflows. The cooling system works in tandem with the laptop's energy-efficient components, delivering excellent thermal performance without compromising battery life. In terms of memory and storage, the G16 offers up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCIe-5 SSD, enabling fast load times and the ability to switch between multiple demanding applications with ease. The laptop's compact design, weighing just around 2 kilograms, makes it one of the most portable gaming laptops in its class, perfect for gamers and professionals on the move. The RGB backlit keyboard with customizable lighting adds a layer of personalization. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Pro 9i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 9i strikes a perfect balance between cutting-edge performance, stylish design, and affordability, making it a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. At its core lies the Intel Core i7-14850HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, which work in harmony to deliver exceptional performance for both graphically demanding games and intensive workloads. Its 16-inch WQXGA display with a 240Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and sharp visuals, enhancing gameplay and minimizing motion blur, a must-have for competitive gaming. One of the standout features of the Legion Pro 9i is its Legion AI engine, an intelligent system that dynamically adjusts the laptop's performance and cooling to suit your gaming and multitasking needs. This ensures the laptop operates at peak efficiency while staying cool and quiet, even during extended use. The laptop also comes with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 4 TB of PCIe-4 SSD storage, providing ample room for your gaming library, media files, and productivity applications. Aesthetically, the Legion Pro 9i exudes a modern vibe with its slim chassis and customizable RGB lighting. It also includes an enhanced keyboard with soft landing switches, ensuring precision and comfort during long gaming or work sessions. The Legion Pro 9i is not just a gaming machine, it's a versatile powerhouse that transitions seamlessly between work and play. Number 5. HP Omen Transcend 16. The HP Omen Transcend 16 offers an excellent mix of high-end gaming performance and productivity features, making it ideal for gamers who want versatility. At the heart of this machine is AMD's Ryzen 9 8950HX processor, complemented by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T GPU. This combination ensures that the Omen Transcend 16 can handle modern gaming titles, creative tasks, and heavy multitasking with ease. Its 16-inch OLED display delivers vibrant, lifelike visuals with ultra-fast response times, making it a fantastic choice for competitive gamers and content creators alike. The audio experience on this laptop is equally impressive thanks to Bang & Olufsen tune speakers that deliver immersive, crystal-clear sound. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching movies, the audio and visuals combine to create an engaging experience. With up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of PCIe-5 SSD storage, the Omen Transcend 16 ensures fast performance, quick load times, and ample space for your game library and creative projects. What makes the Omen Transcend 16 stand out is its sleek design and portability. Despite its powerful hardware, the laptop is relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry for gaming on the go. It also includes Omen Gaming Hub, a software suite that allows you to customize performance settings, RGB lighting, and other features for a tailored gaming experience. Number 6. Acer Predator Helios Neo 18. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 18 is a beast of a gaming laptop that offers incredible performance and a massive 18-inch 4K UG display. Powered by the Intel Core i9-14990HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, this laptop is designed to handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. Its 165Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay, while the 4K resolution provides stunning visuals. One of the standout features of the Predator Helios Neo 18 is its advanced cooling system, which uses Predator AeroBlade 3D fans to keep temperatures in check. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 4 TB of PCIe 4 SSD storage, this laptop offers lightning-fast performance and plenty of space for your games and media. Whether you're a professional gamer or a content creator, the Predator Helios Neo 18 is a top-tier choice. Number 7. Gigabyte AORUS 17X. The Gigabyte AORUS 17X is a gaming laptop that pushes the boundaries of performance and design. Featuring an Intel Core i9-14980HK processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Ti GPU, this laptop is built for gamers who demand the best. Its 17.3-inch QHD display with a 360Hz refresh rate provides unparalleled speed and clarity, making it ideal for competitive gaming. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of PCIe 5 SSD storage, the AORUS 17X offers the speed and space needed for today's most demanding games. Its per-key RGB lighting allows for customization, while its sleek design ensures it stands out in any gaming setup. Whether you're playing esports or exploring vast open-world games, the AORUS 17X delivers an exceptional experience. Number 8. Dell Alienware M16. The Alienware M16 is a gaming laptop that combines futuristic design with top-tier performance. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 9 8950HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, this laptop offers exceptional gaming performance in a compact and portable design. Its 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate provides sharp visuals and smooth gameplay, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia tasks. Alienware's advanced thermal regulation system ensures the M16 remains cool and efficient, even during intense gaming sessions. With up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of PCIe 4 SSD storage, this laptop offers the speed and space needed for multitasking and gaming. Its futuristic design and powerful hardware make it a standout choice for gamers. Number 9. ROG Strix Scar 18. The ROG Strix Scar 18 is ASUS' flagship gaming laptop for 2025, and it sets a new standard for performance and design. Featuring an Intel Core i9-14990HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, this laptop delivers desktop-level performance for AAA games, VR experiences, and intensive creative tasks. Its massive 18-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate ensures stunning visuals and fluid motion. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 4 TB of PCIe 5 SSD storage, the Strix Scar 18 offers unparalleled speed and storage capacity. Its RGB lighting, customizable armor caps, and advanced cooling system make it a top choice for gamers who want the best of the best. Whether you're competing in esports or exploring immersive single-player adventures, the ROG Strix Scar 18 delivers a gaming experience like no other. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.